Hello friends. Welcome to this video. In this video you will learn about 5 different methods of making money online, covering the key features, benefits, future scope, potential earnings, and how to get started with each method. By the end of this video you will get fully understand with the methods and its works on making money online. Before we get started I have a request. Please subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell for such valuable updates. If you find this video valuable then please hit that like button and don't forget to share with your family and friends. So, let's get started. Content creation. Content creation refers to the process of producing and publishing digital content that can be in the form of text, images, videos, and audio. The best feature about content creation is that it can be done from anywhere as long as you have access to the internet. If I say about its benefits are, number 1. As you know, the ability to work from anywhere, next, the flexibility to work at your own pace, and the last one is, the potential to reach a large number of audience through platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok etc. The future scope for content creation is no doubt, it's promising, as the demand for high-quality digital content is continue growing day by day. If you want to get started, you can create a blog as a beginner on medium.com, blogger.com, tumblr.com. Later when you will be expertise you can move on to another websites. You can also start a YouTube channel, or publish your video content on other platforms. In the field of content creation, you can expect to earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on your level of commitment and the size of your audience. Next, let's talk about e-commerce. E-commerce refers to the buying and selling of products or services online. One of the key features of e-commerce is the ability to reach a global market, as well as the convenience of buying and selling products or services online. The benefits of e-commerce include the ability to start a business with relatively low overhead costs, the ability to reach a global market, and the potential to earn a significant income. The future scope of e-commerce is bright, as online shopping continues to growing with more popularity. You can get started with selling products or services through platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, Shopify etc. If you are a beginner then you can expect to earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on the products or services that you offer and the size of your customer base. Let's move on to digital marketing. I know you all heard about digital marketing sometimes this before. If you never heard this before then don't worry. You will get understand in this section. Digital marketing refers to the promotion of products or services through digital channels, such as social media, email, and search engines. The key features or benefits of digital marketing are, number 1. The ability to reach a large audience base with targeted advertising. Next, number 2. The ability to measure the success of your marketing campaigns. And the last one or number 3. The potential to earn a significant income. The future scope of digital marketing is bright, as businesses continue to shift their marketing efforts online. You can get started with taking online courses, attend workshops, and gain hands-on experience by working with a digital marketing agency or starting your own business. In this field you can expect as a beginner to earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on your level of expertise and the size of your client base. Next, let's talk about online tutoring and selling courses. Online tutoring and selling courses refers to the process of offering instructional services and courses online. One of the key features of online tutoring and selling courses is the ability to reach a large audience, as well as the convenience of delivering instruction online. The benefits of online tutoring and selling courses include the ability to work from anywhere, the flexibility to work at your own pace, and the potential to earn a significant income. The future scope of online tutoring and selling courses is promising, as the demand for online education continues to grow. To get started, you can offer tutoring services on platforms such as tutor.com or teach courses through platforms such as Udemy. You can expect to earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on your level of expertise and the number of students you have. Finally, let's discuss about web design and development. Web design and development refers to the process of creating and maintaining websites. One of the key features of web design and development is the ability to create visually appealing and functional websites that can be used for a variety of purposes, including e-commerce, content creation, and digital marketing. The benefits of web design and development include the ability to work from anywhere, the potential to earn a significant income, and the ability to develop a valuable skill set that is in high demand. The future scope of web design and development is promising, as businesses and individuals continue to recognize the importance of having a strong online presence. To get started, you can take online courses, attend workshops, and gain hands-on experience by working on small projects and building up your portfolio. You can expect to earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on your level of expertise and the size of their client base. Overall, making money online is a viable option for beginners, and there are many different methods to choose from. Whether you choose to focus on content creation, e-commerce, digital marketing, online tutoring and selling courses, or web design and development, it is important to have a clear understanding of the key features, benefits, and future scope of each method, as well as the steps you need to take to get started. By investing time and effort into building your skills and growing your audience or customer base, you can potentially earn a significant income and scale up over time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope information in this video has been helpful, and I wish you all the best as you explore your options for making money online. If you have any questions or queries, don't hesitate, feel free to comment down below.